Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video we will look at the top 5 meat cleaver knives available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Henkel's Cleaver Knives. Quality manufacturing. Fabricated from high-quality German stainless steel. Balanced blade. Ergonomic, traditional triple rivet handle gives balance and comfort. Fully forged construction offers durability and a seamless transition from blade to handle. Exceptionally durable. Fully forged construction offers durability and a seamless transition from blade to handle. Full bolster provides weight and ensures safety. Professional, satin-finished blade boasts precision cutting and is finely honed for long-lasting sharpness. Precise cutting. Professional, satin-finished blade boasts precision cutting and is finely honed for long-lasting sharpness. Ergonomic, traditional triple rivet handle gives balance and comfort. Number 4. Meat Cleaver Knives. Awarded kitchen knife. As one of the world's best kitchen knives selected by wiki.ezvid.com, TUO Fiery Phoenix Series Cleaver Knife is the best choice to deal with your ingredients, such as vegetable, cartilage, and meat. This chopper knife will help you cook with ease. Premium steel. In order to ensure the good performance, we specially choose high-quality German steel for its blade. After high-tech vacuum heat treatment and nitrogen cold treatment, the steel hardness is increased to HRC 56 plus or minus 2, and has good corrosion resistance and good edge protection performance, greatly improving the cost performance of our knife. Razor sharp edge. The blade is hand-polished by skilled blacksmiths using the traditional 3-step Handbezug method. With each side of the blade measuring only 18 degrees, this extremely sharp blade provides you with unparalleled cutting pleasure. Ergonomic Packawood handle. In addition to the surprisingly comfortable feel and ergonomically shaped line design, the unique color combination is also the highlight of this knife. Number 3. Zwilling Cleaver Knives. Ultra Razor Sharp. Zwilling knives start out razor sharp and stay sharper longer, even with minimal care. 57 Rockwell hardness equals excellent edge retention. Edge angle 15 degrees per side. The last knife you'll ever need to buy. Zwilling knives are built to last. They are German engineered, informed by almost 300 years of masterful knife making. We know more about knives than anyone else in the world. Zwilling has been making knives since 1731 in the renowned city of Blades, Zollingen, Germany, and we are constantly innovating to bring you the best knives possible. Largest manufacturer of knives globally. As the largest manufacturer of knives globally, we own our factories so we can control the quality at every step of production. Superior craftsmanship. Special formulated German stainless steel, perfected for almost 300 years. Ice-hardened Frieder blade starts sharper, stays sharper longer, and has superior resilience. Made in company-owned German factory. Number 2. Dalstrong Cleaver Knives. The Gladiator series or Obliterator Cleaver serves a single ferocious purpose: to obliterate any culinary obstacle in its path with one brutal chop. Featuring outstanding craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, stunning design elements, and premium materials. Incredibly razor-sharp edge, full tang, forged from premium high-carbon steel and heat-treated to 60 HRC, this 9-inch steel behemoth weighs in at 2.9 pounds and 6 millimeters thick. With a menacing shape inspired by medieval weaponry, this heavyweight titan is sure to power through anything placed before it with brutal efficiency. Award-winning design, with satisfying heft, premium materials, and quality feel. The blade's edge is razor-sharp, allowing for surprising precision, while the extra-thick black G10 handle provides a solid grip from which to wield. Engineered to perfection and hand-polished to a satin finish. Carefully tapered for improved hardness, flexibility, and minimal slicing resistance. Tall blade height provides useful knuckle clearance. Included with the cleaver is a stylish handcrafted acacia wood stand, which serves the purpose to both store and display this savage instrument of chopping power, which is sure to garner attention wherever it is placed. Number 1. Shun Cleaver Knives. Chinese Vegetable Cleaver. The Shun 7-inch classic vegetable cleaver, also known as a Chinese cleaver, is an effective multi-purpose knife ideal for processing large vegetables such as cabbage. Solid, nimble blade. The large square blade of this cleaver knife is solid yet thin, nimble and sturdy enough for almost any kind of cutting or slicing while remaining light and easy to use. High-quality construction. Constructed with Shun's proprietary VG-Max cutting core and clad in 68 layers of stainless Damascus, this vegetable knife is corrosion and stain resistant with a strong, razor-sharp edge. Comfortable handle. The D-shaped, ebony-finished Paca-wood handle is durable, beautiful, doesn't harbor bacteria, and comfortable to use for both left and right-handed users.